My name is Gautami. I am studying in first standard. My school name is San Philomena High School, Chandapura branch.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Gitanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tirunanthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Orissa, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Bangalore; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 union territories of India.
9 union territories of India: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Spray, Chandigarh; Raman, Nagar Haveri, Srinivasa; Daman and Diu, Daman; Delhi, New Delhi; Lakshadweep, Kavaratti; Puducherry; Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu; Ladakh, Leh.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna; Mahanadi, Narmada; Periyar, Tamilabharani; Vaigai, Yamuna.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru; Gujarilal Nanda; Lal Bahadur Shastri; Indira Gandhi; Morarji Desai; Charan Singh; Rajiv Gandhi; Vishwanath Pratap Singh; Chandrasekhar; P.B. Narasimha Rao; Atal Bihari Vajpayee; H.D. Deve Gowda; Inder Kumar Gujarat; Manmohan Singh; Narendra Modi.
National symbols. National animal.
Dolphin.
National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National flower.
Lotus.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National fruit.
Mango.
National currency.
Rupee.
National game.
Orchid.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National flag.
3-color flag.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National language.
Hindi.
National river.
National river Ganga.
Districts in
Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar; Bengaluru rural; Bengaluru urban; Belagavi; ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ; ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ; ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ; ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ; ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ; ಧಾರವಾಡ; ಗದಗ; ಹಾಸನ; ಹಾವೇರಿ; ಕಲಬುರಗಿ; ಕೊಡಗು; ಕೋಲಾರ; ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ; ಮಂಡ್ಯ; ಮೈಸೂರು; ರಾಮನಗರ; ರಾಯಚೂರು; ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ; ತುಮಕೂರು; ಉಡುಪಿ; ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ; ವಿಜಯಪುರ; ಯಾದಗಿರಿ.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia; Africa; Europe; North America; South America; Antarctica; Australia.
5 oceans.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean; Indian Ocean; Pacific Ocean; Southern Ocean; Arctic Ocean.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury; Venus; Earth; Mars; Jupiter; Saturn; Uranus; Neptune; Pluto. Biggest planets: Jupiter. Beautiful planets: Saturn. Red planets: Mars. Nearest planets to the Sun: Mercury.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: ಕುವೆಂಪು; ದ. ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ; ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್; ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್; ವಿ. ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್; ಆರ್. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ; ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್; ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾಡ.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
10 Mukhya Upanishad.
10 Mukhya Upanishad, Ishavasha Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitharya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Bhuvataranyaka Upanishad.
Top 10 Kings of Karnataka.
Top 10 Kings of Karnataka: Pulakeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amonghavarsha, Madakari Nayaka, Akka Bukka, Jayachamaraja Odayar, Kempe Gowda.
Indian Women Freedom Fighters of India.
Indian Women Freedom Fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Asaf Ali, Sucheta Kittani, Kittur Rani Chandamma, Keladi Chandamma, Onake Obova, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jharsiladi Lakshmibai.
Indian Monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jamma Masjid, Khajuraho monuments, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
How many parts of speech are there?
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, word, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramanujam, Swami Rama, Homi Bhabha, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Meganath Swaha, M. Vishweswaraya, Satyendra Bose, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anil Kokotkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Elements and symbols.
Elements and symbols: hydrogen H, helium H, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon N, sodium Mg, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, fluorine Cl, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya, Chola, Vaishara, Maurya, Pallava, Utta, Bashkuta, Moghal, Vijayanagar, Vardhan.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಲ್ಗುಣ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ.
ಋತುಗಳು.
ಋತುಗಳು 6: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
How many colors are there in rainbow?
There are 7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
How many Vedas are there?
There are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Adharmana Veda.
Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Who wrote Mahabharata?
Vedavyasa. Thank you.